probably gonna go cheese comp.
I like cheese. Goes good with toast.
Select your hero.
Toast.
Cheese and toast? Really?
What?
Grilled
No, I
cheese?
just made that up.
What's your grilled cheese?
I really don't eat it like that. Usually just
So you
plain.
mean grilled cheese?
Oh god, that's okay. Now we're talking. Grilled cheese is good.
I'll be watching over you.
They have a lot of cereals. I'm
I
scared of
think Hammond's a
cereals.
monkey. Huh? No one. You don't think he's
Oh,
like
Hammond said it's
or
a
something?
hamster.
He's a
Hammond,
I just
hamster,
silly.
Hammond's a
H-A-M.
hamster.
I just love how it went the other way. It's funny because I was
Everybody thought it was a
telling
monkey.
Pink like that morning. I was like, watch it be like a fucking hamster. Like his name is Hammond. It rolls in a ball. Do you think they'll really do another monkey? I don't know.
I thought this was Hammond. What is
Yeah.
that then?
Oh yeah, the big-eyed little tiny chimp. Yeah, this guy. Karate.
That's what they wanted us
So-
to think.
Yeah.
And it worked.
They saw through our soul. You want to push through left to the top?
One. Attack.
That new
Why
way
not?
they opened up for us.
Capture objective A.
Oh
Look,
look, a
I love how we
freaking
changed our comm last time from a
I give it to you.
really defensive barrier kind of comp to a we're going deep in. Yep, cheese.
Oh, they got a
I see,
tourbillon
I
for
see,
it?
I see the spoon of the cheese. I see the spoon.
Don't door there anymore.
up top.
Right,
Turn
turn
around,
behind.
Diva. There we go.
Oh,
It's different.
That's a
New
Mac
things.
song.
Ouch! Jam. Watch that torb turret. Oh,
Oh,
monkey.
I'm taking
Oh, oh, we got bubbled, and I fell down. I'm so dead.
monkey's discorded. Tracer's down. Sorry, it's discorded.
I'll be stupid.
And I'ma go hard. And I'ma go hard.
Monkey's discorded.
Roll, front flip, karate,
Monkey down.
flashbang.
Tracer discorded. Tracer on me.
More is low.
I see one.
Where'd that chaser go?
This is last.
Bitch, get out of here. Get the Torgon turrets down. Let's get this point.
Every
Nice. After that, I vouched to skip for the rest of my life.
after 3 months, they finally added the thing that I finally agree with.
The BTR update.
What the hell?
Reaper.
Oh shit.
Hey, Reaper.
Where'd he go? Oh, he went invisible. I was like, I just flashbanged that hoe. Let's get this Zari out of there. She's the main. Cheese.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There we go. Zari's dead.
Took
Took me a while.
Yeah, I hope Real Madrid loses, Tracer. I hope Real Madrid loses.
Their mercy's down. Kill us more. Oh, chicken wings. Oh, kill her.
Sorry, is this
Murder her.
Yes, I did absolutely nothing this round.
That was awesome. Good shit. I
Kinda
just
fast.
walked him again. That's what she said. Oh, stole it. What do you mean we can't vote for our team anymore? That's horseshit.
I don't want to give them sportsmanship.
I got in there the endorsements, I just said why not.
I'm gonna give it
I
to
don't
their
even
ones
remember
that
seeing
didn't change
half
30
of them.
times. I'm gonna give it to the freaking there you go.
Oh, I accidentally voted for
there's
myself.
Tracer. Oh, I thought it was the Tracer. Just right on
Yours
our
has to go
head.
second. Yours has Doomfist, yours has to go second. Mine
Oh,
goes
I
first.
got you. Oh shit. Oh, too far. Yeah, there we go. Mercy is just sitting on my hand.
I'm just
She's like the
overseeing
referee.
everything.
3, 2.
Making
Oh, dude,
sure you
got the
play
moving
fair.
one. That's dope. Top 5. I see
He's
it.
just reading a
I
book
see.
on our hands while we're
It was number 5 and 6.
back and forth.
Let's go left.
It was only the CTF.
Karate.
Capture objective
You would think a guy with a gauntlet that is basically
Hey, Ryan,
Thanos
Ryan, yeah, go
beats
right.
a
Or
bodybuilder.
left.
Know
Say
your
right.
directions.
Oh, I'm a little drunk, alright? Oh! Watch that,
Okay, the lag
Hanzo.
is already coming in.
Hanzo's down. Got him that time.
Damn.
God damn.
Oh,
I got destroyed.
I got pinned and sniped at the same time.
The Doomfist buff, dude, is so nice. That's exactly what
Doomfist
I
got
needed.
buffed.
Oh man,
Hanzo, watch
you
out
just
for
don't
Hanzo.
like me cause I'm Doomfist.
I don't like people that play Ash and Rainbow Six Siege. But,
Oh, I thought you were gonna say in Pokemon.
no.
Gotta catch them all, man.
In your mouth.
That's what they say in the 34. Okay, I'm gonna stop being a horrible person.
Widow is behind us. on the
No,
left.
wait, that doesn't exist.
Yep.
We're all horrible. What are you talking about? Fuck this pig.
434 for all.
Karate. Watch yourself, ninja dragon things.
Thanks for editing again.
Widow behind us.
Fuck her.
What do you mean fuck her? She gonna snipe me.
I'm just gonna keep running
Oh my
ahead,
God, dude.
dodging her.
Getting destroyed.
Where's that pig?
The Hanzo's dead.
Don't worry, I got Widow.
That's right, hookers.
Oh, no.
No, avenge mercy.
It's slightly racist.
Yeah, exactly.
I volt again. God, I love this. You guys are so good at being.
Widow.
your
Have you lost a single game
characters.
yet?
No.
I'm taking
Because
care.
that's for losers, and we're not that.
What is losing?
I don't know. I think that's when you put your dick in a blender or something like that. Alright, I'm going for a sneaky smash. 3, 2. Boom, chakalaka. Oh,
Oh. That's not good.
Yeah, that dragon fucked us.
their Ana's dead.
Come on.
Oh, they got
Okay,
me.
fly away. Fly away.
Alright, regroup, guys. Regroup.
Your support.
Oh, that's all good.
Oh my god, I made it.
Live that.
I forgot. What's projectile again? I forgot.
She gives you tons of armor for like anyone who's around her, so when she uses
Oh,
it,
so
group up
nothing-
on that hoe. She gives everyone armor. Oh shit! Ooh,
Only
those
if I'm
snipers are
doing
mean.
damage.
I'm gonna try to.
I don't know what I can really combine with. Hey, Doomfist, I'm going to get gold again.
They have a.
I'm at 48.
What do you got?
I'm with. Oh my
I'm
God!
charging
We're
it.
getting destroyed. Bad today.
Oh! Oh, thank you,
Oh.
whoever just saved my life. Oh, never mind. Yeesh. Yeah, you got Reinhardt if you wanna group up with your thing.
Come with me, Zarya, not doing.
I'm at
Again,
70. I
G,
can.
you wanna do the
Oh,
thing?
come on with that bullshit.
Andy
I
Mercy.
got sniped from 3 days away.
You needed a doctor?
Hey, Genji, you with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Like
We're pushing. Push.
Watch out there, you got high ground.
Yep, Venomon.
Coming in.
Watch out for that Widow as well.
Yeah,
On the
where
left
is that
side.
widow? I saw that.
Where's the rest
Top
of
left,
them?
top left, top left.
Top left? Oh.
Got her. We're good. Good shit, Genji.
Okay, Genji, get down with me? Yep.
The second time, god damn. Ow.
They were hiding and doing that.
Watch out for
5
Widow.
minutes left? Christ almighty.
Yeah, I feel
Alright.
sorry for one. Up with me.
Alright. Watch that widow far right. She's trying to get us when we turn.
You needed a doctor?
Hey, what is it?
Alright, I'm gonna take this. Oh, what? How did he one tip
Hey,
me?
Genji, you with me?
I'm back. Monkey top.
Heroes never die.
Out. All 5 of them on there?
Nice. Oh,
Dude,
I'll
how
I'll
often does he get his ult?
It's Hanzo. He can probably get. I've seen a Hanzo get 5 volts in 1 minute. 1 minute.
Alright, we got it. Keep pushing.
Oh, I didn't have res.
Alright, I'm gonna push back whatever's
Oh,
there.
get the monkey.
Use some assistance.
Nice.
No, dude, this house actually good too.
What is happening? I don't see you.
Oh no.
All good. Watch out for
Once
this
we
little
got Hanzo, we lose.
fucking Reinhardt smash and then
Damage boost.
dragon arrow.
Watch that Hans. Yeah, all the way back.
Taking care of you, Vegeta.
I'm gonna look for this.
Kill Ron if you can. Target Ron. Never mind.
Hanzo's dead.
Almost come off.
Oh shit.
You got anyone? Do you got anyone I can combine with?
I'm here.
Let me get you past
You have friends back.
Man, fuck this Winston.
I know, right?
Don't worry, I'm trying to.
the battle continues.
Thanks. You ready, Genji?
Oh, dude. Okay, they're Hanzo's. I'm gonna kill myself. Just teabagging.
What?
Heroes never die.
I was right in the
That's
middle of that
awesome.
fucking dragon.
Dude, I don't know how I didn't kill their Doomfist. I'm not gonna lie. I fucking punched him up against the wall twice.
Ooh, I'm
Bitch
dead.
didn't die.
Alright,
Eesh.
group up again. Critical guys.
It's
What are we doing
11-11.
otherwise? I
Air
almost
Force.
have mine.
Let me get you patched up. I could use some assistance.
Alright. Take care of this monkey. How'd I go through that motherfucker?
I'm taking care.
There's a Doomfist up top.
Okay, Doomfist, you ready?
Go for it. Yep. I didn't kill them all.
They countered. They
I
used
got
all
somebody.
Nice. Push.
Mercy, did you see that? That was perfect.
Kill Winston. Yep. Okay. Good.
Nice.
Ana with
Go,
me.
go.
Ana, payload.
Kill. Quickly.
Bitch.
Push.
Nice.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm going to
we'll
stall.
hold him back.
Come
We'll
with me
hold him
right
back. We'll hold him back.
There we go. Yeah, bitch. Good shit. Hell yeah. Nice.
There we go.
That's how you fucking play as a team, dude. That was awesome. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Good shit, guys. Fucking good calls. Good all-around playing. I know, right? Jesus. That was intense. Got my blood pressure up a little bit. I'm stoked. That was probably like the only team that's really gave us any kind of a fucking challenge so far.
It's been the same team.
Oh,
They
really?
just had that